Now we are going to start sociology. Sociology is a scientific study of a society, including patterns of social relationship, social interaction, and culture. Sociology is a systematic approach to thinking about studying and understanding society, human social behavior, social groups, culture, institutions, communities, population, gender, racial or age groups, etc. The word society is derived from a Latin word societas, which means society, and the Greek word logos, which means a study or a science. Literal meaning of the word sociology is the science of society. Auguste Comte was a French philosopher and he is considered to be a father of sociology. Govind Sadashiv Ghule was an Indian socialist, so he is considered as a Indian father of sociology. Sociology is a science of a society. It is a social science and not a natural science. Sociology is a positive science according to Auguste Comte. This is the introduction of sociology. Characteristics of sociology. Sociology is a social science and not a natural science because it studies human behavior, society relations. It doesn't study natural activities, natural phenomena, so it is not a natural science. It is a positive science and not a normative science. It is a pure and applied science. Pure science means pure. It is more related to the theoretical knowledge, and applied science means more concerned and it is related to the practical science, practical knowledge. But sociology is related to the both pure and applied science. Sociology is an abstract science and not a concrete one. We cannot give the fixed answer on any topic, so it is an abstract science. We study the general science. Sociology is a rational and empirical science. It studies causes and effects of activities in society. Sociology is a social science and not a natural science like physics, chemistry, and biology. Although sociology has a few qualities of natural science. Sociology as a science. It conducts various experiments directly or indirectly. It conducts various scientific methods like observation, recording, classification, verification, and prediction. It is a social science that studies various methods of empirical investigation, testable, theoretical, cumulative, and objective. Now the key components: empirical, testable, theoretical, cumulative, and objective. Sociology studies factual information about society, institution. It studies the facts, theories, data about the topic. It deals with that. Principle of sociology is universal like a science. Principles remain same according to the conditions. In sociology there is a cause and effect relationship. It studies the human cause and effect relationship. It makes the direct prediction about something. We can make prediction clearly, so there are the reasons which states that sociology is a science. Now these are the reasons why sociology is not a science. Lack of experimentation. Society is a complex system, so we can't divide the society in different parts. Next is the lack of objectivity. We can't make the objectivity on the human activities. It's difficult to measure, examine the activities of the human beings, and lack of exactivity. Next is the difference between the social science and natural science. First of all, social science is the study of human, society, and social relationships. Natural science is a branch of science that deals with the physical world. It includes the fields such as economics, political science, law, geography, and history. And in natural, biology, chemistry, physics, earth science. Use scientific methods as well as other methods, but in natural science, always use the scientific methods. Students can become lawyers, linguists, historians, writers, journalists, teachers, accountants, etc. But in natural science, doctors, nurse, engineer, biologist, chemist, astronomers. Experiment is carried in society because for social science, society is their laboratory, and in natural science, experiments are carried in the laboratories. Then next is the sociology is a positive science. So why it is called positive science? Because in society there are many problems which are present, and that must be solved. So here sociologist first collects data, information about that issue. He studies the reasons, causes, effects of that problem, then he finds solution on it. Example, in today's world there are many problems which are happening against women. Problems like rape, dowry, female infanticide, sexual harassment, domestic violence. So all these problems should be solved and stopped. Then reformative acts were implemented by the legislature, like Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. So here we see that means many acts have been implemented to stop such crimes. So here we see that the sociology makes various positive, good reformations that make our society better. So sociology is called a positive science. Now what is meant by criminology? Criminology tries study the patterns in the behavior of a criminal. Criminology is useful to the police officers, CBI and the raw agent. Criminal is also a human being, hence sociology and criminology are interrelated. Criminology directs its inquiries along the three lines. It investigates the nature of criminal law and its administration and the conditions under which it develops. It analyzes the causation of a crime and personality of crimes. Means in criminology, why crimes are created, what is the intention of the criminal, and how to stop that crimes. Such type of things are studied in the criminology. Third is it studies the control of a crime and the rehabilitation of offenders. This is called criminology. Next is penology, study of punishment of crime, of a prison management. Study of penology therefore deals with the treatment of prisoners and the subsequent rehabilitation of convicted criminals. Means how the prisoners are treated in prisons, such is studied. Prison management, it is known as penology. Next we are going to study the methods used in sociology.